Good day, can you please tell me about yourself?
Good morning, sir. I am Marisa Tobola, 34 years old. I have a living partner. We have two kids, 13 and 10 years old. We are living at Barangay Darongan, Tigpawan, Iloilo. I have the two brothers and three sisters. I am a fourth child of the family, and I am a high school graduate.
Okay, thank you. And since you have two kids, are you the one who is taking care of them since they were born?
Yes, sir.
And do you have work experience abroad before?
Yes, sir. I worked in Oman almost 5 years with two couples and three kids, 4 years old, 6 months, and newborn. I do household chores like ironing, washing clothes, cooking, and cleaning. And my main duties is for the babies. And I also work in Hong Kong almost 1 year and 6 months with two couples and one child. I do household chores like cooking, cleaning, marketing, and ironing. I do but my main duty is for the baby.
Okay, and what is the age of the child?
1 year and 6 months.
Okay, and are you the one who do the laundry and washing and ironing of clothes?
Yes, sir.
And why is it only 1 year and 6 months?
Because of the family problem, sir.
Okay, and what kind of problem is this?
Because my son is a got accident.
Okay, and how would you describe yourself as a worker?
I am a hardworking, honest, and a responsible person, sir.
And are you a happy person too?
Yes, sir.
And do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
And do you have a surgical operation or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
Because I want to spend money and to send my children in school and to save and to build a house for the family.
Okay, and if you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My live-in partner and my mother-in-law, sir.
And are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working abroad?
I usually sleep at 10 p.m. if after my finish work. And I wake up in the morning at 5 a.m.
And in Hong Kong, kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient, sir, and I understand more them, sir.
And if you are homesick, what would you do?
I control myself, and I always remember that this job is for my family.
And do you have an allergy to a certain food?
No, sir.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid by employer instead?
Yes, sir.
And when you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help them do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
And can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share them with the kids?
Yes, sir.
What will you do if the baby is sick?
I will check the body temperature, sir, if he feels sick, and I call my employer.
And if you do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. I will finish until my employer needs me.
Okay, and can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merry, 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 life is but a dream.
Okay, thank you. And can you please send a short message to your future employer?
Good day, Mom and Sir. Hope you will accept me as your helper. I am a hardworking, honest, and responsible person, Mom. I promise I will serve your family all my best. Thank you so much, Mom and Sir.
Okay, that's all for today and thank you for coming.
Thank you.